What's happening? Why am I here? Why am I here, guys? Why am I here? What am I? Oh my god. What's happening? Why did I wake up in this elevator? What? How did I get here? So let's go out then. One. I need a key. Is there any key right here? I don't think so. Ooh, maybe in here. Oh, where's your pencil? Is that your pencil? Just a pencil. But the key. Ding dong. Oh, there's the key. Crouch. Okay. There you go. I'm here now. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Number 2. I guess that's number 3. It doesn't have a number.